Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a cleaning supply reset and restock. I'm going to be using some of my favorite products from Lowe's, and I wanted to start the year with a fresh reset. So I grabbed some things to help organize and clean a couple of those spaces that I'm going to be using to help me keep my house clean and organized. And if you guys are new here, my name's Amanda and this is my channel, Amanda's Daily Home, where I love to share videos on cleaning, homemaking, organizing, decluttering, and basically all things motivational for yourself and your home. So here's all the stuff I grabbed from Lowe's for my reset and restock. They have an amazing selection of cleaning and organizing supplies. Pretty much anything that you need to keep your house cleaned and organized, they have. So I'm going to make sure I have all of these products linked down below in the description box for you guys. So there are two main areas in my house where I like to keep my cleaning supplies. One of them is under the kitchen sink, but this is a giant disaster right now. So I'm going to pull everything out of here, wipe it out, declutter, and reorganize this to make it easy to access. So when I am doing my cleaning, I can find things, because right now it's just like I don't even know what's back there. There's reusable bags and little like planter pots, just dirty rags, all sorts of nasty stuff, you guys. So this really needed a good deep clean. As I'm pulling all of this stuff out of here, I'm thinking I don't need like half of what's in here. Probably I don't even need a quarter of what's in here. There's just way too much. Some of these cleaning supplies are like outdoorsy ones, like degreasers and stuff like that for mechanics. So that doesn't need to be under my sink. So I'm going to make sure that that goes to the basement. We have like a tool bench down there with a bunch of Jeff's tools and stuff like that. So that can just go down there. And then under the sink, we're just going to keep like the normal essentials that we need in the kitchen area. And then I think the other stuff I will put upstairs in the laundry room. I do have the floating shelves up there where I can put cleaning supplies, and it keeps it nice and organized. And I like how it's not under the sink. Like I don't have to bend down and search way back there to find what I need. So like in the laundry room, those floating shelves, they're like at eye level for me. So it's nice and easy to find what I need instead of crouching down and digging. One of the cleaners I grabbed from Lowe's is this Method all-purpose cleaner. It's a nice spray bottle and it's in the scent pink grapefruit, because that's nice and fresh and clean smelling. So I just used that under the sink. I just sprayed it down and I'm giving it a good wipe out here. Make sure it's nice and clean. And I love all of these Scrub Daddy supplies, so I grabbed a Scrub Mommy and a Scour Daddy. It's always great to have those on hand, so we're going to keep those restocked under the sink. Since I have quartz countertops, I really needed to get some polish for them. Like been neglecting the countertops for a while. I've just been using dish soap, so I wanted to get that. I got some dishwasher tabs, some dishwasher rinsing agent because I haven't refilled that in a long time. Got the Dawn Powerwash, of course my Method spray, and I love my Mrs. Meyers cleaners, so I grabbed one of those too.
Music loud, ours for space.
All right, so now that we are wrapping up around the kitchen, I'm just going to spray down the counters all around the sink where I was cleaning and putting things. I just want to make sure that's nice and clean now. So we're just going to wipe it down, and then I'm going to head upstairs to get that laundry room cleaned up and the laundry shelves reorganized and restocked.
We try to go our separate ways, but I come back, it's true. Maybe we're both missing out on life, playing by the rules. What if I'm changing for the better because of you? Hold tight, cause I know that we're changing. Hold tight, cause I know that we're changing. But I will be forever young in your arms. Tell the story about you and me. About my love, she gon' love you like summer 15. Hold tight, cause I know that we're changing. But I will be forever young in your arms. Tell the story about you and me. About my love, she gon' love you like summer 15. Gon' love you like summer 15. Like summer 15.
There's going to be a lot more supplies in the laundry room than under the kitchen sink. We've got our laundry supplies that are going to be in there, as well as other cleaning supplies like for the bathrooms and just like, wood polish and stuff like that. So that's all going to go on the laundry room shelves. All right, so I put all of the new cleaning supplies on the floor right by the door there. What I want to do first is do a quick tidy of the laundry room because it's kind of messy in here. There's lots of laundry to be done. It's actually not as bad as it's been in the past. It's totally manageable. I just need to reorganize the laundry baskets a little bit. We had a couple of Christmas decorations thrown in the back there from the kids' rooms that needs to go. Yeah, so I'm just going to reorganize these laundry baskets, get a load of, I think I was doing towels here. I'm going to get that going and just kind of do a little bit of reorganizing on the shelves. I did clean it not long ago, so it's not too bad, but I do need to just kind of like rearrange where things are going on there. So I'm restocking my Snuggle fabric softener. I've been loving that one lately, and the Gain laundry detergent, and also the Downy scent beads. I love the ocean ones. I believe I have shared that with you guys before. We did the Method wood cleaner. These are new. I have not tried them before. They're the Arm & Hammer laundry sheets. Those are going to be super handy for traveling, you guys. We travel a lot, so if we just take some laundry sheets with us rather than the pods, we don't have to worry about anything like bursting or laundry detergent spilling. That's also going to be great for Pacey because he travels a lot and he's away for hockey, so he can just literally throw those in his suitcase and he's got like laundry detergent on the go. Like, that's brilliant. That's such an awesome idea. I can't wait to try those.
So let's live it up, pick it up, just call me up, say anything and I'm down. We just look like fire, and we'll just pick it up, live it up, don't wanna stop. We'll keep it going all night, yeah, yeah. 'Cause I have on to dance in the rain, yeah. I'm tripping on a feeling that ain't going away. I need you right next to me. Take the records to the ceiling, close your eyes and just play. And now we sway, we just sway. And now we sway.
All right, so here is a look at the restocked and reorganized laundry shelves. Everything is nice and clean. We are fully stocked up in here, so I'm ready to go for all the laundry and all the cleaning that we need to do. I've got all of my favorite laundry essentials, so that's awesome because I'm not going to need to go to the store for a while. I can't wait to try those power sheets, you guys. I'm so excited about that. It's so weird how when you're like an adult, especially a mom, you get excited about cleaning supplies. Like, who would have thought? Bathroom essentials. I've got my scrubbing bubbles, my toilet bowl cleaner. So everything's ready to go in here. And my favorite scent beads, of course. So now I just want to finish cleaning the rest of the laundry room. We're going to go ahead and pull out the laundry baskets. We are going to take out the trash, put a new trash bag in here, and just get everything nice and refreshed.
Don't stop now. We're like the river in the sky. Fly high. Don't think we're ever coming down. So let's live it up, pick it up, just call me up. Say anything and I'm down. We're just like a fire, and we'll just pick it up, live it up, don't wanna stop. We'll keep it going all night. Yeah, yeah. 'Cause I want to.
All right, so I'm pulling out the vacuums, and now that everything is out of here, I'm going to go ahead and give it a sweep. The floors like weren't too dirty, just a little bit dusty, and there's, some dust bunnies from the lint and stuff like that. I would love to find a way to pull out the washer and dryer one day, because in the corner it's hard to get in there. I can see some like lint clusters stuck in there, but I mean, washer and dryer is really hard to pull out. So that's going to have to be, when I have Jeff helping me, but at the same time, the house is for sale. So who knows when we're going to have a chance to pull it out, or even if we will before we move out of here. So, oh well, dust bunnies are going to have to sit there for now. But we're going to get all of these ones picked up and out of here, and then we're going to go ahead and put back the laundry baskets. And it doesn't look as bad as it did before once I actually put the laundry into the baskets that they belonged in, because the kids were just kind of like throwing it on top of one basket. So those towels are going, and yeah, the laundry room will be nice and tidy.
Tripping on a feeling that ain't going away. I need you right next to me. Take the records to the seat, close your eyes and just play. And I'll be sway. We just sway. And I'll be sway. We just sway. Levitating with you, anything can happen. What you think we should do? Let tonight begin. We're just flying high, we're not coming down. Come right up next to me, step aside.
Okay, so we are done in here. We can go ahead and check off restocked, reorganized laundry room off of my list. And we're going to head downstairs because there's just a couple other things I wanted to do down there before I finish off the video. I did forget to put the Easy Off under the sink. I accidentally brought that upstairs, so that's going to go down there. But this Libman Noni's floor scrubber, you guys, I've been wanting something like this for a while. You see how where the floor meets the cabinets, it gets grimy. This is especially in the kitchen because there's lots of cooking going on in here. Things get spilt and whatever. So it was really nasty. And then I came across that at Lowe's and I was like, oh my gosh, this is going to be a lifesaver for me. Because I did have a scrub brush, but it was just like a handheld one. And I didn't want to get on my hands and knees all the time and scrub along the kitchen cabinets. So this is amazing. And then the head swivels so it moves around. Guys, like, you need to have this because it gets in all those little nooks and crannies. So I just went ahead and sprayed along the edges. At first I used the Method sprayer, like the all-purpose cleaner, and then I decided I was going to use the Dawn Powerwash. That one worked better because it's, dish soap, but it picks up that grime and whatnot. So yeah, anyway, so excited about that find.
Yeah, we can dance the night away, right? Want to dance in the rain, yeah. I'm tripping on a feeling that ain't going away. I need you right next to me. Take the records to the ceiling, close your eyes
So once I got all of that grime off with the brush, I just went over with a rag real quick just to get any excess soap because I didn't have time to wash the floors at this point. We actually had to run out to hockey, surprise, surprise. So that is it for today's video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the reset and restock. It was so satisfying for me. All of the products I picked up from Lowe's are linked down below in the description box. So make sure you head down there to stock up on all of your Lowe's cleaning and organizing supplies. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys are subscribed and hit that notification bell so you guys don't miss any of my future videos. And I'll see you guys next time in the next video. Bye.